We got coal for no cool at night. Are we gonna show up? Tornado weather? We don't give a shit. We're gonna pull up, brother. Okay, late night call. We found a burned out fuse. Yeah, dirty furnace. I'm gonna dive into it and find out where's our short. Res. Okay, just came across of this beauty. Yeah, look at this one. CPVC. And this thing is not even. It's not even strapped properly. Damn. See even if the TMP is leaking. No. All right. Yeah. Late night calls. That's what you find. We'll give a quote. I'm gonna be changing the contactor and the capacitor on this bitch. And it's a fucking tornado weather. Let's get to it. We're delivered! We're delivered again, brothers. We're going home now. Yeah, there's no more coal after this. We're going home. Home sweet home, mama.